For this lesson, we will be multiplying a monomial and a polynomial. So points to remember, when multiplying variables, you add the exponents. And then with the coefficients that are in front of the variables, they are always multiplied. So let's look at the first problem. We have 2x times the quantity of 7x squared plus 4. We're going to be using the distributive property because we have to remember to multiply the 2x by each of the terms inside the parentheses. So the coefficients are the 2 and the 7. So 2 times 7 is 14. Remember, this has a 1 there. It's just understood. So 1 plus 2 is x to the third. And that is our first term. So now we're going to multiply our 2x times 4. Well, 2 times 4, here's my plus sign, is 8. And there's no other variable, so we're just going to write plus an 8x. Number 2. We have 4y times the polynomial of negative y cubed minus 2y minus 1. Again, I'm putting my arrows there, so we remember to multiply all 3. And this has an awful lot of negative signs. We're going to want to make sure that we catch the sign in the front because these are representing negative numbers. So I'm going to, again, put my understood 1 there. Well, 4 times a negative 1 is a negative 4. And this has a 1. And remember, you multiply, you add them. So 1 plus 3 is y to the 4th. Going to my second term, 4y, I'm multiplying it this time by a negative 2y. So 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So I'm writing a minus 8. And y to the first power, and this is, again, y to the first power, it's understood, that is y squared, 1 plus 1. And last but not least, I have 4y, and it's going to be multiplied by a negative 1. So negative 1 times 4 is minus 4, and the y just comes along. So here is my answer, actually, in simplest terms. Going to the last problem, we have 2x cubed times the polynomial of x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. I am going to put my arrows there to remember I must multiply each one of them by 2x cubed. So starting off with the first term, there's a 1 there. So 1 times 2 is 2. I'm adding the exponents. 3 plus 3 is x to the 6th. All right, I'm done with that. So now I'm catching the sign in the front of this, and I have 2x cubed times 3x squared. 2 times 3 is 6, so it's plus 6. I'm adding my exponents, so it's 3 plus 2 is a 5. Going to the next term, again, I am catching my negative 2, this negative sign in front of my 2x. So 2 times a negative 2 is a negative 4, so I'm writing subtract 4. And now this has a 1 there. 3 plus 1 is x to the 4th. And we're finally down to our last term. 5 times 2 is 10. And it's 10x cubed. We just write the variable after that. And that's what you are doing when you're multiplying a monomial and a polynomial. If this video was helpful to you today, please add a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for more Math with Marcia. See you again soon.